Royal Windsor Living Wagon is an iconic showman's trailer that blends luxury, innovation, and showbiz history. Built in 1954 by Southern for Ronnie and Kay Smart, it was the first in a series of 3 custom-built wagons commissioned by the Smart family, famed for their Billy Smart Circus, one of the most celebrated British entertainment empires of the 20th century. The original cost of Ronnie's wagon was between £1,600 and £1,700, equivalent to about $24,000 today, a significant sum for a mobile home in the 1950s. Despite the high price, Ronnie was captivated by the futuristic design and luxury features. This 37-foot trailer was mounted on an articulated chassis, a rare and advanced setup for its time, requiring a powerful truck or tractor unit to tow it. The wagon's swooping Art Deco lines, mollycroft roof, and submarine-like silhouette turned heads wherever it traveled. Inside, the wagon offered unparalleled luxury: mahogany, maple, velvet upholstery, a cocktail bar, fireplace, crystal chandelier, and central heating. Designed for hosting high-society guests, it became a signature feature of the Smart family's presence at galas and city events. Ronnie later extended the trailer to 42 feet, adding a bedroom and more space for daily life. His brothers David and Billy Smart Sr. received similar wagons in 1955 and 1960. Out of respect, Billy Sr.'s was labeled number 1, even though Ronnie's was the first built. In 2012, Joby and Georgina Carter of Carter's Steam Fair acquired Ronnie's wagon, which had suffered from years of outdoor exposure. A 499-day restoration followed, involving a full rebuild of the chassis, replacement of rotten wood, and polishing of 508 feet of aluminum strip. The restoration included modern additions like a flushing toilet, dishwasher, AC, and bunk beds, making it suitable for their family of 5. The original wall had even shifted 3 inches and had to be pulled back into alignment with a ratchet strap. While the cost of the restoration remains undisclosed, Joby described it as significant. Some original features, like the bar and fireplace, were removed to preserve privacy. Yet the interior still features handmade furniture, beveled mirrors, and Art Deco light fixtures, all echoing the spirit of its glamorous past. Today, the Carters live full-time in the wagon, calling it both practical and beautiful, despite challenges on narrow city streets. They also own Billy's and David's wagons, which are awaiting restoration. The Royal Windsor Living Wagon remains not just a luxurious home on wheels, but a treasured relic of Britain's entertainment legacy.